me a glass of water. Buy me something, is it?
Yes, Mom. It's with cake. It's welcome. Oh, thank you, Princess.
Shiny.
Oh, stop it.
Tell me the secret.
Oh, you know, it's your money. Okay, I know that.
Thank you. So where is the place?
I'll leave them downstairs. They are coming up.
Okay. It's all my place.
Wallahi, the mama, this your car is very beautiful, wallahi. Mama, the only thing you can do for me for this one, just put me in the back of this vehicle. I'm okay for life.
Kingsley! Kingsley!
Mama!
Kingsley!
Mama,
If my love come, open the gate for me. I want to go and relax.
Yo, what? Mama, who is I love? Which one are you talking about?
Are you out of your mind? Do I have any other love?
I'm sorry, Mom.
How many love do I have? I'm talking about Mr. Peter, of course.
Mommy,
Mr. Peter! Hey! How many love do I have?
I forgot. Hey! My mother love you. Welcome, guy. I even forgot to lock it again.
So what is it?
I want to go and relax my phone is off.
Wow, that's makes you thorough massage.
Hey!
Well, lies the name.
What are you saying? What are you saying? You still my girlfriend. You still my girlfriend. You're telling me to calm down. I called you a brother and I called you a friend. That's my girlfriend. That's betrayal. That's betrayal. What are you trying to say here?
Guys, stop! Stop! What is going on here?
Mama, good afternoon. Don't mind my friend. I just asked him a question. He did not answer, but hit me on my chest.
Guy, what your friend is? Is it true?
Mama, good day, ma'am. This guy here is my friend, but he misbehaves a lot most times. Okay, imagine we were here seated and my girlfriend came to ask me for some money. That's usual. The next thing he could say is asking me if I knew he has already slept with my girlfriend. Can you just imagine that?
What is your name?
My name is Eddie.
What your friend said.
It's true. That's why I'm trying to let him know that. Because I haven't asked the girl to come to my house tomorrow.
Can you just imagine?
No need of fighting over a girl. No need. You people should stop. Help me, let me take you guys out.
Ma? Me? What's with this traitor? God forbid. God
forbid. You are friends. Let's.
You.
because they settled our region to the level where at least
Lady G! Bye!
Bye, Lady G! Bye, Lady G!
Madam, I give them one cat for my girl.
Bye, Lady G! Bye, Lady G!
Lady G! Mama there!
Lady G!
You don't believe me?
Madam, you calculate the bill on my care. Let me give you. You paid. That is let me give me complimentary card. What's that, man? Here is my complimentary card. Come and see me. All right. Thank you. Lady G! Copy for your 5 bottle. Oh, well, you have someone, you know. Did you know your mistake? Oh, yeah.
It's okay now.
Stop touching me.
Yeah, my God. It's okay, I just...
Ghost-time, that Lady G, what kind of a woman is she that everybody knows her? Ha, my brother. That guy, do you think he's the husband or a lover?
Ask me again. Do I know her before?
Toma has money, brother. Like she's an iron lady. Hey, where is the card? At least let's look at the address and know when to visit her. When did she even tell us to come to her house? Her house.
Sometimes you ask stupid questions. When you know there, when she gave us the card, you would have asked her yourself.
Okay. Okay, I think we should visit her in the morning. At least that way we can help her do some work. Maybe wash her car. The guy on that way will help her do again.
Okay, in that way, you come to my house, then we'll go from there.
Okay, let's
All
go.
right. Okay.
Let's go.
Honey, you asked those boys to come and see you in your house. What plans do you have?
love. Really, I don't know yet. But I believe if they come, I'll know it.
It's okay. So, when are they coming?
I did not tell them. Anytime they feel like it, they come.
That's good. I trust your judgment. So, I will have to start going now.
Just like that. Are you not forgetting something?
Oh, pardon my manners. Come here. Okay.
To buy suya for your fiance, just 10,000 naira.
Wow. This is much. Thank
Anything
you
for
very
you.
much. You deserve a bigger case. Mwah. And you be a good woman for me.
Lucky to have you.
Ọmọ, wọ́n mú wẹ́rì ẹ̀gbà mẹ́.
The reason why we come here na because of the police issue and our job, our mission. We want him to try us.
Ogwugwu ọwa mọ̀sọ̀ bó ṣe nà mẹ́nọ̀rúhu anáṣọ. Èmi ogwe gbèsèrìọ̀, èmùnèmúnè ìyànyà, ọ̀nà mẹ́mí. Ẹ̀bọ̀ bẹ́ máa wẹ̀mí náà máa gbájẹ́. Kúkọ́ sí ẹ̀gbà mi nánẹ̀, ògọ̀gọ̀ wà á yá yá. Ẹ̀gbọ́n ló tó. Ọ̀sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀kẹ̀. Ojú tó tútù. Òtò ẹ̀jẹ̀ mu ọ̀gbọ̀ à. Ẹ̀mú ẹ̀ o. Àwọ̀ à, o máa wẹ̀mí náà máa gbájẹ́. Dòdòdò! Ẹ̀jẹ̀ rọ̀rá rí yóò tọ̀rọ̀ gbà ẹ́ kú ẹgbẹ́ o! Dòdòdò! A ò di ọmọ ayé. Yẹn náà fà. Dòdòdò! Ẹ̀jẹ̀ rọ̀rá rí yóò tọ̀rọ̀ gbà ẹ́ kú ẹgbẹ́ o! Dòdòdò. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ rárá rí yóò tàrà gbá kú ẹgbẹ́ o. Dòdòdò. It is done. Go! Go! Go!
Wana kamburuba. Wana kamburuba. Wana kamburuba. Wana kamburuba. See, if not for some reason, I would have been in Zaria. Okay, now what did they worry you? You want spoil this again for my madam, you the grace. Now what did they worry you? You want break it again for my madam. How I go punish you for what did they worry you, Oga? Are you what did they worry you, Oga? You won't break it the gate. You know how much my madam will tell you about this gate.
Want to see Mama? Put the gate for us.
Okay, not get time for Allah punish you for it. Now what did they worry you? Now you can't do this.
Want to see Mama?
Well, we not get time for Mama for this house.
Please don't mind my friend. We may want to see Lady G, the owner of this house.
Oh, Lady G. The big one I invite a bit and the smaller one.
Ha! Which one is the big one or small one? Can you put the gate for us?
Oga, to one can he? Come on, not settle for me. Now you get to this territory. Now you get here.
Sorry. Don't mind me. Calm down. Please, use this to invite me.
Oga, keep your hand for a sec. You get the money reaching my madam. Yes. What did they worry you? You just said this is clothes to make it be say I wear now.
So what do you want?
Keys!
Madam!
What is going on there?
And now these two people, me I never know I never see them for this area before. They say they want to see me, madam.
Mama is Gostem and Eddie, the boys you gave your card the other day.
Okay. Open the gate for them.
Madam, I know these people only. What did they worry you, Oga? You're not going to cut too much more. Did you wake up like a summer village? I don't even know how my madam plays. I go come back here again. One cause to wear my mood. When I come back, when I come back. Different people now with the see for this people. When I come back, when I come back, make I receive my.
You're welcome, guys.
Lady G, good day, Mama. Here, Mama. We greet you. Thank you, Mama.
Sorry, my baby is that. So you're welcome, guys.
Thank you.
What do I offer you for my mate and my children and my cat?
Mama, you can offer us anything. Drink anything. This house is fine. Shine. See, this is heaven. See, Eddie, I know what's in my mind.
after. Yes, we are doing fine. And you? Thank God for that. I want to tell you that I have two guys, two boys. Yes. Yes, I know you will like them. Yes. Mm. No, 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 no. They are not with me yet. I don't know when they will come. Anytime they come to my house, I will make sure they sleep over so that I will bring them in the night. It's okay. All right. I trust you. Take good care of yourself. Bye for now.
Oga, Oga. Kabuluba. Oga, Oga. Oga, Oga. Oga, Oga, welcome. Yowa, Yowa, Yowa. Yowa, Yowa. Oga, Oga.
My guy.
Oga, Oga. Oga, Oga, welcome. I just Oga, Oga. I did fine, Oga.
My guy.
Oga, Oga.
My friend.
Oga.
It's Lady G inside. And I hope Mr. Peter is not around.
Legit, my madam ni. Wallahi, madam are they inside, but Oga, I know they are around. Oga, Oga!
My guy!
Oga, Oga!
I'll see you later.
Okay, Oga, I believe you. Oga, Oga!
Ghost time. So you still have this plan in mind to make Lady G fall in love with you, right?
Eddie, my friend, I will do everything humanly possible to do what's in my mind. Don't worry.
Keep dreaming.
I have my plans intact.
You just keep dreaming. Please, let's go inside.
Okay, we shall see. Lady G, where are we going to?
We want to stroll and see one of my...
At this time of the day, it's getting dark already.
Are you guys afraid of me now?
No, we are not. But
Eddie, there is no but. Let's go. Get the gates.
yes.
Gossip wonderful so. Come gossip wonderful. Wow, ninyara lily. What can my buy you? Come on, Lady J. Like for your information, that Lady J was talking about on man. So, why will you walk when I have a bomb?
Wait, as in...
What
do you know about Lady G?
Your mouth talk. Turn around. Turn around.
Let me just tell you.
Master better people. Biblical. For information, the way Lady J me was in, I'm a wild bay. What it to my satisfaction.
Wait, no verse. If Lady G even they carry all those normal boys, now you will you be like, well, shy if you carry you may your sweet ground. You understand?
You don't already
get man, you know now, and you don't get cooker. Even this one people do say. Just say if people sweep say. No. This one is not used. They are here. Used to go yesterday.
Video. That's where we map on you. When you beg one, and I'll stop. I'll cancel the chat to let it start. So I'm where you're. I'm a bear, I'm a woman. No one. That's why I'm a banner. Then the banner, the two are my, for example, the two are my banner. It's as if I change location. Cancel the chat to let it start.
Come. Where who you they talk? As in, I don't understand. They worry you. They don't do.
See, you know why I look since? Because they bring my MacBook. Don't beat woman. We the red hair family, don't beat woman. See, why they bury your buck coming? Yahoo. There we go.
This one not get.
Hey, my friend. Hello. You know any chemist and your supermarket works cancer and can't go to circle.
Please, when? Which station? Hold on, I'm coming. Princess, my candy, fast! Kingsley, open the gate fast! Kingsley!
Mama!
Open the gate fast! First, open the gate!
Mama, I don't want you to leave the house today, Pa.
Kingsley, I don't have that time. Please open the gate for me now! Princess, where is the key? I am coming. Right. I am coming. I just received a call. I am coming.
Mama, I don't want to make you come up for us, Ma. Mama,
Kingsley!
Mama,
Kingsley, what are you waiting for? Kingsley, come and open this gate. Come and open this gate.
Mama,
Kingsley, come and open this gate now. What do I do?
Yeah, that much is going to do. What are you everywhere we have before? That one, you must know it. Ah, you're not coward, watch out.
Hey, look, yeah, hey, princess. He's a mean king. Yeah, Indian love, princess. Please, I want to make you do me a favor. Yeah. I beg. Help me tell madam, say make she not go out, I beg. Yes. The dream make if you say I get for madam, it no good. Yes. They try talk to madam, but she not really listen to me. And me, I dey inside my room now. Me, I lock myself because I dey fear. Okay, you go help me tell am. Now go dey. Now go dey. Now go dey. Allah. I beg, protect my madam for me, Indian law. My madam is a good person.
No. No, this thing must leave my house. No, you must leave my house. This thing must leave my house. No.
I don't just have that your time. Kingsley refused to open the gate of my house for me. He must leave. God forbid, nothing bad will happen to me. Nevertheless, Kingsley must leave. And he refused to tell me.
Mommy, give him a chance.
Okay, let me go and see him.
No, promise me you will sack him.
No, I will not sack him. I will not. Let me go and see him. Man, you my old there. Salo Bodoge, walk by a ten on the way my mama made the time, my papa. My mama made the time, oh, you are very hard time. God did not go agree, me something to them. God did not go agree, Salo Boy,
Wait. Last 2 weeks, God said, you come our house. He will say, the day Cyrus. I hear say when they talk. Lady G. God say he go friend that Lady G. Let me just I put my ear for ground. Who be Lady G? Let me call the talk say, the Lady G na girl abi they call her lady. Why? Because they know they call girl lady. You just surprise you. If you know where the lady is.
Well, my Lady G. Kuma go there tell Lady G. Oh, why now we can't be go no winter ya kani. No Lady G. E go say ni kolo ya mo Lady G ah.
Ni iye we ki bie ka waro e. O waro e. O wa we ni ma. O wa bie ka wo o ma like mami one e ki bie ka waro e le lo we ki. I said to you me agwa. Get up, go and look for her.
Yakpa, emu mami mama. Emu mami mama ye o, sakwe ya o.
Kaka. What be that? Abeg, I dey come o.
Who dey house o? Who dey house? You sure say na here? I no go waka for nothing o.
Here na Lady G house. Na here. I sure.
Who dey house?
Madam, now waiting dey happen. You wan break my gate. Now who una dey look for?
We are looking for Lady G.
Lady G?
Yes.
My madam?
Yes.
Wallahi, my madam me no dey.
Madam no dey.
My madam me no dey.
Where you go?
See me see problem. If you ask me now, who I should ask? My madam might travel.
Who say she go come back?
Madam, I can't ask me question, Abi. I can't look for my madam. I said my madam you know dey. You no tell me, you no drop note for me.
Hey, you na answer.
Yeah,
You na the answer.
Yes,
You
madam.
na the answer.
Yes, madam.
You na the answer.
Yes, mama.
You na the answer, abi?
Yes, madam.
If your mother come, tell her, say Mama Costa and Mama Edi, we come here. Kaji come?
Yes, madam.
Kaji?
Yes, madam.
Inaji?
Yes, ma'am.
Make it work. Make your
Tell her say 2 weeks time. We dey here.
No wahala.
Tell her o.
Let her know what it call.
Tell her madam
No, madam, no wahala. But you no go fit come here, come dey knack this ticket. You know how much that they buy ticket for my madam? See how they be. I don't know where my madam before they get all these kind people they carry for road. The other day now, another one, that one will be like a summer bilatin. This one and another different problem. Madam, I don't enter trouble. This one is a big trouble. Make I go visit this generator. No, madam.
Hello?
No, madam, they come out.
Okay, I'll get... Kings!
Madam.
I'll get back to you, okay? Please, come. I'm expecting someone, okay? When you come, just arrive, okay?
Madam, now, man, I've been a woman.
What's the meaning of that?
Sorry, now, boy, I've been a girl.
Are you okay? I said anybody that comes asking of me, just allow the person inside, okay?
Babu Allah, now you talk.
What else?
No.
Ah, I guess open the gate.
Now, who are they?
Kings, open the gate.
She not there around.
What's wrong with you?
I said,
Are you okay? Open the gate.
madam, she not there around now. Okay? She not there around.
Get out. Please, baby, come inside.
What's wrong with you?
Don't mind me. That's right.
Hey, go. Come on, where you they go? See, this territory, madam, not the talk when we say men. This territory, now me get this territory, now me they control people when they enter inside and people when they come outside. Madam, this guy, I know they pass here, wallahi.
Please, get out. Leave my way.
Thank you. I'm my name. Okay, me. Anytime I want they come, they enter, I go to open door for you, pa. Like only you want to be the responsible person when I don't enter this house. Since when did you say? No be like madam. Madam, the people where they come see madam, none of them get like my heart. In fact, I don't lock the gate. Madam no go enter. You and small madam una go dey. Go ahead. Madam, I no go enter.